Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have another world's first for you thanks to our friends at TMaxx that are producing some of the most incredible color PPF films in the industry right now. Take a look at Rainbow Splendid Gray. This is a color PPF film that actually has like a color flow to it. It's constantly changing as you walk around the Cybertruck. I see shades of gray, pinks, purples, teal, green. And you know what? When you're out in the shade or at night, it kind of looks like a really nice high gloss silver gray. But in the sun, it just comes alive. This film is so special and unlike anything that we've ever done before. I really like the way this looks. I think it's appropriate for the Cybertruck. It's fun. And most importantly, it is PPF. So it does come with a 10-year warranty thanks to TMaxx. It is hydrophobic. It does have self-healing properties. And it changes the appearance of your Cybertruck. No more fingerprint issues, no more stainless steel, very easy to clean. TMaxx Color Change PPF. They have over 50 colors right now, and it's really fun. Exciting product for not just the Cybertruck community, but for the whole Tesla brand as well. After we finished wrapping the Cybertruck, we reapplied the Foundation Series badges using satin black vinyl film in the front two fenders and the rear tailgate. And then we went ahead and changed out the wheels. As you can see, these are our very popular 22-inch CTM wheels. This is a monoblock wheel. It's fully forged. It's finished in gloss black. And the reason why we went with gloss black is because the PPF film has a gloss appearance to it, so we felt that was appropriate. Gloss black, CTM wheels, floating center cap assembly, very nice touch. This truck's awesome. There's nothing else like it out there. This is about to hit the streets in LA, and we're proud to go ahead and be a part of this project. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertrucks coming your way soon.